Welcome to Come Shopping with Me, where each week I'll take you on a journey to find the most amazing handmade creations. Now, this week we're going to be jumping into Christmas earrings because it's getting super close to that time. And I invite you, if you are someone that wants to stop buying mass-produced, we have you covered. So why not start with the most fabulous spot of Christmas earrings so that you're set for the month of December. This first pair of earrings is from the Toucan art factory. Now, I absolutely love Kelly's creations. They're so eclectic, but they're also super lightweight. Now, I've got quite a few pairs of her earrings, but this particular pair, you can see that it's that Christmas tree inspired, but it's not your traditional Christmas tree, but it's got that lovely sheen and it'll pick up the light really beautifully when you're wearing them as well. Awesome added bonus with Kelly's creation from Toucan Art Factory as well is that she actually recycles and upcycles many of the elements that are in the pieces. So it's making sure that, of course, the findings, which are the hook, are all new, but then from there she starts creating all the pieces on top. And I think that these ones may actually be created from cans as well. And we can't go past the price on these ones either. They're $36 Australian, and that includes shipping as well. Definitely add these ones into your cart. These gorgeous Santas are from the Gabey girls. And now these are made from a polymer clay, and a polymer clay is like a molding clay, but it means that they're really lightweight. I also really love the size of these ones. So if you're going for a bit more of a subtle earring, what do you mean? But these are a really great option. Now also as well, I really want to encourage you to go and check out the Gabey girls in general. I love what they create, and they've got beautiful styles, beautiful colors, and I'm sure there's something in there you'll love. These very much Australian inspired earrings are a bit of a collaboration project here, and it's actually an artist from Melbourne and then also the creator, which is Erin who've come together to create these earrings. Now, Popcorn Blue is the name of the illustrator who's done the koalas, so they've actually been printed onto tin or aluminium. So again, super lightweight, but they've got those great themes on there, and she's got quite a few different options there with what you can go for. These stunning Joy to the World earrings are by Miry Clay Designs. Now, hot tip with her creations, because she sells out very quickly. So if you're seeing some earrings, some Christmas earrings that you love, make sure that you're not adding them to your wish list, that you're literally checking out and buying them today because they're such hot property items. Now, also, this is the beautiful Joy to the World scene that she's got here, but she's got quite a few others over in her store as well. So go over, check them out, and make sure that you're grabbing a few pairs to get you through the Christmas season. If you're someone who likes something a little bit more subtle and sophisticated, I love these earrings from Purplefish Designs, these beautiful stars. Now, Andrea's work is such high quality, and a little birdie told me, aka Andrea, that she's actually releasing some special Christmas earrings over the next week or so as well. And I can already see that the ones that she just released have already sold out. So make sure you're keeping an eye out and you're watching what she's doing on socials as well, so that you can jump on the next lot of Christmas earrings she releases. I know I said I was going to show you 5 items, but I had to do one more. And these gorgeous earrings are by Wally and Eva, who has just recently been our feature artisan on Made It. Now, I'm actually wearing a pair of her earrings today, and they're made on wood, so they're really lightweight, but they've got a beautiful swing to them. But I think that these ones here, you can get those lovely Australian native flowers that are here in these creations, and I think they're such a great subtle way to show off Christmas. If there's something in particular that you're looking for, pop it down in the comments. It may just become an episode of Come Shopping with Me. So what are you waiting for? Make sure that you are jumping across to Made It, popping those items in your wish list, or perhaps straight to cart, because many of the creations that we have on Made It are one-of-a-kind items as well, so you don't want to miss out. I'll be back next week with another episode of Come Shopping with Me. So make sure that you like, subscribe, follow all of the things so that you can catch our very next episode.